Hey everyone, welcome back. Did some of your characters or hoverboards stop loading in Subway Surfers after the latest update, showing us blank or missing? Here's the fix. First, force close Subway Surfers completely from your recent apps and then wait for a few hours and reopen it. Since a fresh launch almost always finishes downloading any character or board assets that failed to fully load during the update. If they are still missing, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds after turning it on and then turn it back off after the 15 seconds is over. Then, since complete assist downloads are almost always a connection issue during a large update. Next, reopen service offers on a strong Wi-Fi connection afterward. If characters and boards are still not showing up, go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to find Subway Surfers, then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for Subway Surfers, and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. This versus a full clean re-download of every character and board assist instead of a partial one. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen first, restart your network, then offload and reinstall on a strong Wi-Fi. Characters and boards load properly, and that's it. Subscribe.